ZANU-PF's top critic anonzi Lini M auya panguva ine pasocial media achicriticiza aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino ndizvigananda achiti chaura chinhu ichi. Ndisandapinda strong words anobuda panguva ino achitaurwa this critic. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Then M anobuda chiposter aiwa ma leaders at the ruling party ZANU-PF anobuda nyora achiti this is a provocation of the highest order to our nation. Zvigananda are gifting people money and cars while stealing from our people, bearing in mind all the heroes who departed without having anything tangible after spending all their youthful lives fighting for our freedom in the bush. It is sad to see and witness this kind of barbaric affairs being exhibited by the most useless cowards who are thinking that gifting a certain constituency of our society is powerful leadership that will make them hold on to power. It pains to the core. ZANU-PF, what animal have you become? Fellow citizens Zvinurai, ED is promoting Zvigananda zvake. Such an act of buying ZANU-PF party structures, it is either meaning that ED has signed his exit from ZANU-PF in the presidency by the blatant provocation of the party ZANU-PF and its ideological and failure to uphold its principles, or it simply means that ZANU-PF is succumbed to the onslaught by ED and Zvigananda. This is the end of one of the two, either ZANU-PF or ED. These chairpersons are conference delegates that are now being bribed ahead of the conference to pave way for dirty unconstitutional resolutions. ED has completely destroyed the ZANU-PF party. They always say no one is bigger than the party, but by this, ED and his Zvigananda have proven to be now bigger than the party. Chaura chin ichi chaura. Stay tuned at the Basco News. And this week unfolds as follows. Tuesday, 16 September, Cabinet Meeting 10 a.m. Wednesday, 17 September, Politburo Meeting 11 a.m. Thursday, 18 September, Central Committee 10 a.m. ZANU-PF Headquarters. Friday, MCA yet to be confirmed. Thomas Karubuda Pangoy na nyogwa na lead ema ibotu zema kumuro enyu watu kudi pa mselo pejitko ishi. Comment section medu zwa kumuro enyu. So unsubscribe or like.